We've arrived at Animal Kingdom. Look. Woo! I want to use our magic bands for the first time. I can't believe we're in a park already. I've never like arrived at a park this late. We normally come on the morning then go home, so it feels really odd. Drove here, very successful. I did take the wrong, I say very successful, I took the wrong turning, didn't I? And I had to go back through the gate with the lady with the parking, and she was just like, you can have another go. And I was like, thank you. So yeah, let's do some Mickey to Mickey action. Hello.
Hi there guys. You on your honeymoon?
Yes.
Congratulations. Now this is very important. Sir, you can increase the magic. You're good. You can increase the magic here dramatically. You know how?
How?
First of all, you walk in holding a princess's hand. So hold hands. Now, do you want to double the magic?
Yeah.
For the first 4 or 5 paces as you come in, instead of walking, you skip.
Okay.
The magic will then be doubled.
Okay, thank you. We have to skip now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've now got doubled magic. Right, we need to check what actually time it is, because I think I've got a pass for Everest, but I'm a bit confused. I think the jet lag's starting to set in. Like, I've tried to work the time out about 3 times for this pass and it's just not working. So I'm gonna work that out, and then we've got Flight of Passage later, which I'm so excited about. I managed to work it out. We've got 10 minutes to get to this pass, and there is Everest. It looks even more beautiful than I remembered it. It's probably not a good idea after an 8-hour flight and not a lot of food.
Better to do it on an empty belly than full.
It is better to do it on an empty belly. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to ride Flight of Passage later. And I apologise for my voice, but I was singing a lot at the wedding on Saturday, so I think that's what's wrong with it. I'm hoping that's what's wrong with it. And combined with like the aircon on the plane and stuff, hopefully it will get better. But oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm at a park on my first day already after just landing. Base camp of Everest is what it is. It's base camp of Everest. Oh, first ride. Woo! I'm so excited. I can't believe this is actually happening. Don't let me forget my ears in there, or Mum will kill me. Yeah, I can't lose her ears on the first day. Can you believe this is happening? Oh dear.
Very high.
It is very high. Gonna let rip. Woo! Oh no! Oh dear. I know I should have brought a hair bubble. What's gonna happen? When did this happen? Oh. Hard to hold the camera. Ooh, I need to sit down now. We survived the Yeti, although I do feel a little bit sick. I think it's a combination of everything of today and the fact that we've not had any food yet. So we're gonna head over to the Satuli canteen in Pandora, because we've not been in Pandora yet, and test out some of the treats. And then we have got the Flight of Passage Class Pass, and then we will probably just head back to the resort after that and like get resort mugs and get everything sorted like that as well. It is ridiculously hot still, and it is like 7:20 at night, and it is so hot. So God help us tomorrow, because we're just going to be melting all day and finding the aircon. Apparently you have to have the fillet at Yachtsman as well, because that's what the lady said at the thing.
Eating after that?
Just coming out of Africa into Pandora for the very first time, and it looks stunning. I mean, Disney know how to theme stuff, but look.
Probably should have actually filmed it.
Yeah, I intended to, but we don't have it, so I just didn't pick it up. The village of Moara. Oh, Valley of Moara. Oh, I'm getting tired. Don't shout at me. This all lights up at night, you know? So it all goes like luminescent like on Moana. When she like paints that thing with bioluminescent algae. I'm not going to bother showing you my face because... Okay? I just got wet by that thing. It's just like, almost like my camera, but not quite. The back of my legs got wet.
That's why I avoided it and let you go.
Yeah, I noticed he walked away from me and I just thought he was just taking a random angle around the corner. No, he obviously saw what was coming. Wow. Look at those floating islands. How do you get them to stay like that? Well, I know they're not real, but still, that's quite difficult to do, I would have thought. But I've got a drip running down the back of my leg. Wow. I think that might be the Satuli canteen down there, I'm not too sure. So stand here for a sec. I appreciate it. The waterfall's falling off them over there as well. Wow. The detail. I just can't get over the detail of it. Maybe even to like down here. You can tell it's just going to look stunning at night, can't you? So I think this, yeah, it's a Satuli canteen. So they do some nice food in here apparently. Should we have a look at the menu? So these are quick service dining credits in here. Have a quick look at the menu. Some menu, we've got create your own Satuli bowls. The steamed burger pods, some desserts. I actually fancy creating my own bowl. And it smells delicious and looks even better, and it's been served on proper plates as well, which I was really surprised at. So I went for the combination Satuli bowl with potatoes and herb dressing, and Philip went for the cheeseburger pod. It's a cheeseburger pod, so it's meant to have all the like ingredients of a cheeseburger in it. These are quite tasty. We gave it the taste test. Just go for it all. Nice. It's time for Flight of Passage. We've been passed a green link ticket, whatever that means. I hope this is as good as everybody says it is, because I've built it up in my head quite a lot, and I've avoided all spoilers. I've not seen any videos on it. I've always skipped them because I didn't want it to be spoiled. I wanted to like experience it for myself first. So I can't wait to get to bed once this is done. I know, it's concerning how long this queue is, considering this is a fast pass queue. Like, why would they need to build it this long? A1, just like me.
Prepare pressure doors. Systems ready.
Oh look, it's like detecting us. We are 7 and 8. Look, it detects that we're stood on them. You have to stand on your number, Philip.
Can everyone see me?
Yeah.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikra, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them.
I know.
But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
You're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works.
I like rock and roll.
I can't even. It was like soaring on steroids. It was like soaring times 10. I knew it was going to be good, but my god, I was not expecting that. I was expecting to feel sick, because I don't like, I didn't like, what's it called? Back to the Future. I'm not a simulator person, but I heard it was like soaring, so I thought I'll give it a go. My god, that is unbelievable. Just absolutely unbelievable. It is definitely a must ride, and I'm so glad I've got 4 fast passes for this trip, because I'm doing that every time I come to Animal Kingdom. And now I've come out to Pandora, lit up at night. Philip, what did you think of Flight of Passage? It was good. Oh, nearly fell over the tree. Oh look, all the floors lit up. Camera's just not doing it justice. Look at that. Pandora at night. Oh my. It's just... it's luminescent algae. It's just nuts. I love Animal Kingdom, and Pandora's just made it a million times better. Look at the mountains. Wow. Just wow. The floor also glows, but it's just not picking it up. That was absolutely nuts. I've never ever been on a ride like that ever. Have you? I mean, soaring's the only thing close to it. But even then I think that's like soaring times 10, isn't it? We're not lost. We're just walking around in a circle. I think we need to go to bed. I think we're starting to get a bit delirious. There, the bioluminescent algae on the floor. And see who knows that reference and which film it's from. Comment it in the down below if you know where it's from. Wow, just wow. just caught the end of the projection show on the train, and it was really good. We only caught the last like 2 minutes of it or something. My battery's going flat, which it's done quite well considering I've basically got 2 days out of it. So yeah, we're just gonna head back to the room now. I'm struggling to speak because my brain is just mush. I think, what time is it now? It's 9, so it is 2 AM. What time is it? I can't say.
10 past 2.
10 past 2 English time. So I'm well due my bed considering I was up at 6 this morning. We've just got back from Animal Kingdom. I just thought I'd end the vlog out here rather than in the room because it's so much nicer. It's a lovely temperature tonight. It was too hot earlier, but it's just got to a nice temperature. If it could be this temperature all day, every day, it would be lovely. Yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed travel day with me. It's been quite exciting. We've had an absolutely fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future vlogs. I need to charge this battery because I completely forgot it was running out again. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. There will be more vlogs same time next week, and have a magical rest of your evening, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye. Look, Pip, there's the castle.
For what?
The castle.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so